Hi, my name is Sai Sampath Kumar and my class ID is 41. I'm here to do in-class exercise 6, that is, requirement of creating an ionic application which consists of login page and the registration page. So, let's get back to the code. I've used a Visual Studio to develop the ionic application and which has a terminal inbuilt in it. So here is the terminal. Let's get into the ionic application folder. So this is the ionic application folder. As you can see, let me show you the folder in the file explorer. So this is the ionic application folder, which consists of all the ionic files: package log.json, package.json, ionic configuration.json, and this is the source folder, which consists of all the pages, apps, and index.html file. Pages, which consists of about, contact, home, login, and register, and tabs folder. So let's get back to the code and run it. So I have so as you can see, code is in my left hand side and the program and the output is on my right hand side. I have developed a login page and a home page, about page, contact page, and a registration page. If you enter the valid credentials, you will be redirected to the login page. Here is the login page, home page. Similarly, if you click on the register button, you will be redirected to the register page and taken back to the login page. This is a code which I have used. There is a code for the home page, home HTML page, and there is a code for the login page. And this is the code for the registration page. I have used the navigation control .push method to call the login page similar from the home page. That is from when you click on the logout button. Similarly, from in the login page, if you click on the register button, as you see, if you click on this login button with the valid credentials, you will be redirected to the home page. And similarly, when you click on the registration button, you will be redirected to the register page. As you can see the code here from it. So this is my total application which I have created.